In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder on your laptop for coding. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop or open File Explorer on your computer. Now, choose the location where you want to create your coding folder. This can be desktop, documents, or any drive. Once you're there, right-click on an empty space. From the menu, click on New. Then select Folder. A new folder will appear on your screen. Now, rename the folder to something useful, like Coding Projects. After naming it, press Enter to save it. Now, your folder is ready to use. You can open it anytime and start saving your coding files inside it, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or Python files. And that's it. That's how you can easily create a folder on your laptop for coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.